first I thought Dr. J when he floated in air against us in 80, and he walked in the air, and he had this big hair, and he went up to the other side and spun it against the glass. I thought that was going to be the greatest shot I'd ever seen. But Michael Jordan in 1991 took off against my Lakers. Now this is the first game of the championship. He takes off, tongue out. So we thought we had him. We all jumped, but we forgot that he can hang in the air a little longer than us. So Michael Jordan is looking at us as we went down. He switched the ball to the left hand. Tongue went to the left side. And he spun it against the glass and good. How many men or women do you know can hang in the air that long? Right? Greatest shot I've ever seen. If you saw it, raise your hand. Yeah, that was unbelievable. So Heather, you missed that one, sweetheart.